Hi guys, today we will learn about one of the important parts of the geometry, which is area and circumference of a circle. In previous lessons we learned about area and perimeter of shapes. Circle is also a shape, but in this case we don't call perimeter, we call it circumference. So how do we count the area and circumference of a circle? We need some important parts to count the area and circumference. The first of all, what is this shape? This is a circle. Circle has a center. From the center, any line goes to the circle is the radius of the circle. So radius is a distance from center to circle. This part is a radius. Also we can make like this. This is also a radius. Diameter is 2 times radius. So diameter is distance from one side of circle to the other side going through the center. We can use diameter or radius to count the area or circumference of the circle. But we need one more important thing to have so we can count the area or circumference. That is pi. What is pi? Pi is the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. That means pi is circumference divided to diameter, which is equal to 3.145159, but we round it to 3.1400. So this is pi constant. We use this everywhere when we count the area or circumference for circle. Also pi is used in many math problems. Later we're gonna do trigonometry or other problems. We will use pi as 3.14. Now let's start counting area. Imagine this radius equals to 3. Our radius equals 3 inches. How can we count the area? We need pi, which is, we know already, 3.14, and the radius is 3. Let's put here A equals 3.14 times radius squared. Area equals pi times r squared. So our r is 3. What is 3 squared? 3 squared equals 3 times 3, which is 9. So r squared equals 9. Now 3.14, already we know r squared is equals to 9. We put 9 here. And let's multiply 3.14 times 9. 9 times 4 is 36. We put 6 here and 30 comes to the 10th place value. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 3 is 12. We put 2 here and 1 comes here. 9 times 3 is 27 plus 1 equals 28. Now we're gonna use our previous lessons. We learned how do we multiply the decimal numbers. In this case we have 2 digits after decimal sign, so we will start from back and we will go backward to the left 2 points because we have 2 digits after decimal sign. So from here 1 and 2 and decimal sign comes here. So area for this circle that has radius 3 inches will be equal to 28.26 inches squared. Remember, it's very, very important to put the measurements in square for counting area. So area in this case equals to 28.26 inches squared. This is our area. Now let's count the circumference. How do we count the circumference? Again, we need pi and r, which is circumference equals to 2 times pi times r. We already know diameter is 2 times r, like here. We can use both ways. We can use 2 times 3, or we already know diameter will be 2 times 3 is 6. Let's in this case use diameter. So C, we call it C, equals 2 times pi is 3.14 times r is 3, or we could do like this. C equals to, instead of writing 2 times 3, we're gonna write pi is 3.14 times 6. In both ways we solve, we will get the same answer. Let's count this one. 2 times 3 is 6, so 3.14 times 6 will be equal. 6 times 4 is 24. 4 goes here, 2 on top. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 times 3 is 18. Again, we remember our lesson about how to multiply decimal numbers. We count the numbers after the decimal point, 1 and 2. So we come backward 1 and 2 and we put our decimal point. So C equals to, circumference equals to 18.84 inches. In this case, we use inches. So D was equal to 6 inches. So this is the way how to count circumference for circle. This is very basic but very important part of math. We're gonna use this later many times when we count the volume of cylinder and so on. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.